I know there's many of you out there who want to start an online business, but you don't want to invest any money and you want to start totally free. So I did some research myself and I came up with a system that will allow you to get paid $2.50 just for 30 seconds of work. And I did the hard part for you. So if you like these kind of content, show your support by clicking the like button below. And if you don't want to miss out on more said videos, click the red subscribe button so you will be notified each and every time I post a new video. Let's jump into this. First thing I want you to do is come to this website called Crowdfire. Crowdfire is a website that you will be doing social media management for other people. But don't worry about this. You don't need no large following or anything, and this is totally simple to do. So if you should take a look here, they're basically showing you how the website works and everything. I don't need to read all this out for you. You can go and do some checks yourself, because in this method what I will be showing you, it is so amazing. And as you can see here, 19 million plus users is already using Crowdfire, so the average speak for itself. So basically they're showing you how this works. So I'm giving you a simple overview of Crowdfire, and in the meantime I'm going to show you how you can make massive recurring commission with this platform as well. Alright, you can use this platform to help you with your social media management if you're a busy person and you don't have the time to do your publishing for your own content. Crowdfire can actually do this for you, but this is not what I'm gonna invite you to do. I want you to scroll down at the bottom here, and as you can see here, affiliate referral. Here is where I want you to come, on affiliate referral. And as you can see here, you can earn up to $420 for one customer. Imagine you making $420 from every customer. It's proven to be done here. So as you can see, invite and you will be earning 35% of whatever your customer that you invite use within a year. Going down, you can see how this works also. So 35% commission. Here they're showing you also you can earn cash. So they pay out in cash. You don't have to worry about is it gonna be Bitcoin, PayPal, whatsoever. They pay you out in cash as well, and it's free to join. So if you don't have any money in your account, you can start right now. You can start today. So please take action. All right. And as you can see here, quick payout. So they don't itch to pay you out. And right here, they're showing you unlimited earnings. So they don't have a cap on what's the amount you can make. So if you wanna refer 30 persons, 100, 1,000, it doesn't matter. They will pay you out for any amount of persons you refer. And I'm going to show you where you can get persons to refer to this site. Very easy. You don't have to use no social media platforms whatsoever, but yet if you do, it will be a lot better for you. But in this method, you don't have to. Easy tracking and report. So you can track everything you're doing, and you can also download your reports. So how it works. Alright, so they're showing you how it works right here. Sign up and get your referral link. So whenever you signed up, you're gonna get a link. They call it referral link. It's the same thing as an affiliate link. Share and promote your link. This is now how you get paid. Whenever you share your link and persons click your link and they join this company, you get paid. Alright, so they're showing you here earn when they spend. So whenever they spend on Crowdfire, you will be getting 35% of the commission. So what more would you want? This is so nice. So I'm encouraging you. Sign up, it's free and it's also easy to do. Alright, so share your link and this is basically the same thing. Alright, so check it out yourself more thoroughly. I already went and I did. These are customers who are very happy about getting paid from this website here. So whenever you sign up to Crowdfire, what I want you to do when you sign up and you get your link, before I'm gonna show you the pricing. So these are the pricing here. As you can see, persons can sign up for free. This is their plus plan, this is their premium, and this is their VIP. So where I'm gonna take you right now, most of the persons that will be signing up, they're big companies and they're gonna prefer to use the VIP plan. So you can be earning a lot of money monthly or daily. So imagine you sign up one person and they spend certain amount and they took the VIP plan. You can be earning $3,000 a month. Let's go and you can see here. So now whenever you sign up for this, as I said, it's totally free and you get your affiliate link. I want you to take your affiliate link here to Bentley. It's a link shortening website. You can sign up for a free account as well, but you don't have to. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna place your affiliate link here, otherwise called a referral link. All right, so you're gonna put the link here because affiliate links, they're normally long and they're not attractive. So whenever you place your link here and get it shortened, you're gonna have an attractive link. And what I want you to do now, you're gonna get your link saved. All right, you can save it to your clipboard, but get it saved somewhere so it doesn't get mixed up. Then the next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna go to Google, and whenever you go to Google, you're gonna type in top social media marketing companies. These are some big giants in the business. So you're not looking for just one individual that won't be spending a lot of money. You will be coming here, and as you can see, they have over 30,000 firms on here. So whenever you come here, please, I'm asking you to also subscribe if you're getting some value from this video. Share your comments and what you think, and also leave a thumbs up. So what you're gonna do, as you can see, there are a lot of different businesses here. All right, so you can go on them, view their website. Whenever you view their website, the next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna search for their contact and try to get their emails. Some of them will be on the top, some will be on the bottom. For this one, here is the email. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna now go to your email, you're gonna press compose, and you're gonna send this company an email. So when you press compose, you're gonna copy their email here, and you're gonna come here and you're gonna paste it. And as I said, I did the hard part for you. Here I got a script where you're gonna send them in the email. So right here, you're gonna attach your affiliate link. You're gonna put your affiliate link that you get from Crowdfire. Remember, you're gonna get a link from here. So whenever you get the link from there, you're gonna put the link right here. You're gonna also put your name here because remember, it's coming from you. All right, and you're gonna send the email out to this company, and if they're interested, they will join by your link and you will be earning commissions. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna continue to do this over and over. There are over 30,000 firms here, and you can continue to send emails and potentially you will be getting persons that is interested because they're not individuals, they're big top class companies. So that's it for the video, and if you like it, please tell me what you like about it and also take action. Thank you for watching and come again for new videos. Remember to subscribe.